Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain operating system services. Okay, you can say services provided by operating system. Okay, the main goal of operating system, you can say main aim of operating system is to provide computer easier to use. Okay, operating system provides the facility by which computer become easier to use. Okay, this is the main aim of computer. Okay, an operating system provides an environment for the execution of programs. Operating system provides platform in computer system by which user can execute their own operations easier way. Okay, the operating system services are provided for the convenience of the programmer to make the programming task easier. Okay, the facility provided by operating system uh, to create a platform by which user can execute their operations in convenient way. Okay, and computer become easier to use. Okay, the computer play and crucial operating system play and crucial role in operating system in computer to provide easier to use. Operating system act as a governor in computer system and manages all type of resources. That's why we can say operating system act as a manager. Okay, beside it, operating system provides some specific services in computer. Some services are user interface. User interface means graphical user interface. The facility of graphical user interface in computer system is provided by operating system. GUI means graphical user interface. This type of facility provided by operating system. Okay, next is program execution. Okay, the main objective of computer is execution of a program. Okay, and program execution is service provided by operating system. Okay, next, input output operation. During the execution of program we need an input output operation or file operation. Then such type of services provided by operating system. Okay, next is communication. There are many situations where one process needs to exchange information from one process to other process, and communication between these processes is provided by operating system. Okay, and this communication is two type in processes. You can see inter-process communication is divided into two type. Inter-process communication is known as IPC. Inter-process communication can be message passing or shared memory. In message passing, communication between two processes may be using message pass. Okay, other hand, shared memory. In shared memory there is no transmission of messages, only communication between processes occur using shared memory. Okay, we share memory instead of passing messages. Okay, next is file system manipulation. System manipulation means file creation, deletion, insertion, file renaming, all operations provided by operating system during file creation. Okay, next, error detection. Error detection is one of the most service provided by operating system. Operating system need to be constantly aware of possible errors. Okay, operating system should remain always aware for any possible errors. Okay, any type of CPU or power failure, operating system remain aware to overtake them and provide processes for fault tolerance ability provided by the operating system. Okay, means any type of problem occur in computer, operating system ensure that other processes are not affecting from that interrupt. Okay, next is resource allocation. Resource allocation is a service provided by operating system to allocate computer resources. Computer resources are CPU, memory, input output, programs, etc. These are computer resource. All resources are allocated by operating system to processes. Okay, means operating system provides the facility to allocate resources to the processes according to their need. Okay, and aware that which process is demand which type of resources, or and always aware how much resources are needed to that process. Okay, uh, next, accounting. When computer execute their operations, operating system remain remain and maintain to accounting how many resources are engaged and how much resources should be need to allocate different processes. Okay, next is protection and security. Protection and security is service provided by operating system in multi-user operating system. Different users execute different programs, and different user wants to keep their information without accessible by other user. Okay, that's why we should need to protection some files using hide operation or file lock facilities. Such type of facilities provided by operating system. Protection involves ensuring that all access to that resource is controlled. Means accessing of one user is controlled by another user. Okay, this facility is provided by operating system. After that, security of the system from outsider is also important. Security is a feature provided by your operating system to authenticate the user in computer. Okay, uh, in computer, window password, or you can say authenticate password, is the feature of operating system which is provided by operating system. Okay, the operating system in computer play an crucial role to make computer easier to use. Okay, the main aim of operating system in a computer to provide easier to use computer. Okay, and the main objective of computer is to execute the programs of user in easy way. Okay, the objective of computer is to execution of program, whereas the main aim of operating system in the computer to provide the computer easier to use. Okay, to make computer easier to use. Okay, friends, I think the services of operating system explaining by me is reliable, and you understand well. So like my channel, share it and subscribe it. Okay, thank you.